From March 7th to 9th, the International Fireworks Exhibition in Italy is held in Paestum, Salerno. Holee Fireworks invites you to booth A9. Since our establishment in 2018, we have been committed to creating high-quality fireworks products for customers around the globe. Partnering with 3 factories ensures our production capabilities. Our products are independently developed and CE certified, guaranteeing safety and quality. Our professional team provides excellent service and visits Italy every year for exchanges.
Hello, boss. I'm Susan from Liuyang Holee Fireworks. Welcome to Italy International Fireworks Exhibition. Our booth is at A9. Welcome.
If you're talking, I want to listen. I want to know, baby, love you, but I have my reasons to let you go. Now do you think of you only and you? Please don't tell me that you're sad and you didn't miss. All that I know is that we'll live and you don't care. You don't mean nothing, you don't mean nothing. Please don't tell